直播了，直播间建好了啊，就在哪里？喂，你好。哎，你好，小娟。哎，就是那个澳大利亚那个货不是你发的嘛？咱们我是吗？你有这样。那个，对，那个是多少钱？麻烦你等一下，把给我。对，因为到时候我需要。然后还有一个就是那个俄罗斯的卡牌，我不知道你知不知道哎。俄罗斯的卡牌，咱们是不是都已经包好了？一个是5件，一个是10件。你帮我问一下，然后就是那个5件的，你问一下，就是什么时候能直货吧？看包好了没？还有个10件，对，10件的到时候是多少运？反正就2个应该是一块包的。你帮我落实一下，一会儿回我啊。好，谢谢。好，谢谢。 是这样子的，时间久了之后，我给你回了一个因为这个的话，是我写啊对，然后我应该是走。估计我这个有延迟发送还没发到你那儿来，我有2个邮箱我看看，我有那个，对，有2个嘛，一个 LTS， 一个 PT， 对，那个我看了一下没啥问题，就是有一个就是我们是正常报关嘛，然后的话那个电子报关根据什么，如果说要纸质版的，那你到时候麻烦你提前跟我说吧，对，可能你再过个1-2分钟吧，我这语音是2个，你有什么？行，好嘞，好，拜拜，
Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Loyal Event Precision Manufacturing. Hello. This is manufacturing living stream. We also manufacturing the cross-roller bearings and the YRT crossover bearing and reduced harmonic rubber battery and the nested bearings. If you have the requirement, you can leave the message on the screen. You can leave your email. You can leave it on the screen. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Long Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Companies. This is Sam. Okay, we are to introduce our production is the cylindrical roller bearings and the YRT rotary table bearings for us. If you have the requirement, if you have the message, if you have information about the production, you can leave the email and leave information on the screen. I'll say, okay, let's introduce my introduction. Our cylindrical roller bearings are make the cylindricals one by one degrade to agreement. This is a YRT. This is cross roller bearings. If you have the more rotation and more heavy load, you can choose the cylindrical roller bearings. Okay, this is kind of two. You can look at this one. This one is the full of cylindricals, and this one by one degrees agreement. This kind of the bearings and have a high precision, high rigidity, high heavy load to the things. So if you have the rotation, if you have the size and shapes, and the application field. You can leave your message on the screen. Leave a message on screen. Okay, this is cylindrical roller bearings. Cylindrical roller bearings and make of the okay. This one in the nylon. Okay, and the full of the cylindrical. Oh, this is a cylindrical roller bearings. Okay, if you have some more information about the production of the bearings, if you leave your message, the cylindrical the bearings are used widely in the many fields, many areas. So according to your work condition, you can choose the production you need. So if you have the more rotation, if you have the more high precision, the requirement you can choose the YRT rotary bearings. You can choose the YRT rotary bearings. You can choose the YRT rotary bearings for your requirements according to your work conditions. According to your work condition. Okay, welcome. If you have the information about it, please send an email and I will send my catalogs later. Okay, this is Sam, Loyal Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing. If you have the more information about the passenger, please leave your message on the screen. I will send my catalog later. Okay, welcome. Okay, welcome to our live stream. Live stream. Okay, this is one event precision bearing manufacturing companies. We're located in the Jiangxi Industry Park, Luoyang City in Henan Province, China. Our factory manufacture the bearings for several years. So we have the series about the cross cylindrical roller bearings and the YRT rotary tail bearings, and harmonic reduced bearings and the nest and bearings. Bearings according to the need, according to requirement to choose. So if you have the standard bearings, you can choose the cylindrical and YRT. If you have the more difficult conditions, have the more requirement, you can choose the non-standard bearings according to your drawer and to manufacturing companies. Okay, welcome our live show. This is Royal Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Companies. We manufacture the cylindrical roller bearings and harmonic reducer bearings and the YRT rotary bearings. Uh, just now we told the cylindrical roller bearing. Look at this one. This one is the YRT rotary bearings. Okay, this is full of the cylindrical. So our bearings are have a high precision, high rigidity, and load the heavy load. So according to work condition, you can choose the standard or any standard the bearings for the customers. So if you have the more information about the bearings, you can leave the message online. So later I will send my catalogs to you. Hello, are you here or are you a requirement? You can leave the message on screen. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Luan Event Precision bearing manufacturing company. This is Sam. This is Luang Ifan. We're located in the Luang Jianxi Industry Park, Luang City, current province, and China. We manufacture bearings and or cylindricals. You have the many series RARB, CRBH, RUX, SX, XU, and so on. So you can according your size, inner or outer ring size, to manufacture it. So we also have the YRT. This is more expensive than the cylindrical roller bearings. Why is YRT more expensive than the cylindrical? They have the most part is the bearing processing. They have the more graining. They have more graining than the cylindrical roller bearings. So they need the more precision conditions. So YRT widely used in 5-axis, 6-axis, machine 2, machine theory, machine 2, and machine center, and grinding machine, and more precision things, labor devices, and so on. So just we know the robots, the rubber joint. They also need the bearings. You need the cross. You need the YRT and so on, according to work conditions. So if you have more information about the bearings, you can choose. You can leave the message on screen, and we also to send like catalogs for you later. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Sam from EFAD Precision Battery Manufacturing Companies. Thank you for your coming. Thank you for your for watching. So if you have the more information and more requirement, you can leave message. We can send email. We can send the catalogs to use. This is Loyang EFAD. This is Sam. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Luan Ifan Bearing Manufacturing Companies. This is Sam. So if you have the information about the bearings, so you can leave a message. I can get my catalogs for you. So we are manufacturing the cylindrical roll bearings and YR2 rotary table bearings and harmonic bearings and nesting bearings for our customers. If you have a requirement, you have the work conditions, you can choose. You can apply the size, apply the ship's size, and the inner ring size or outer ring size. We can also make the nest and bearings for you. So this is Loyal Infant Precision Manufacturer. Bearing manufacturing company. This is same. So according to your work condition, you can choose the cylindrical roller bearings or YRT rotary bearings. If you have more rotational say, work condition, you can choose the YRT. If you have the more precision since rotation, you can choose the YRT. If you have the normal conditions, you can choose the cylindrical roller bearings. Uh, just okay. Okay, if you have the more information about my production of my products, so you can leave the message on the screen and leave your email. I will send my catalogs to you later. So this is Sam Law if and the Precision Battery Manufacturing Company. So if you have more information about the bearings, you can leave the message. Okay.
我们昨天去外面去随便弄了点它绿绿的，我想是艾叶，然后我公公说不是，现在我也给他cos来cos去弄点那个青苔，弄点青苔，然后我家我只吃4、5个，然后还想吃，我觉得是艾叶，我觉得可香了，真的，人家跟以前跟人家那啥上面那些都做青苔嘛，都可香。对呀、那艾叶巴拉都可香呀。我公公说是好的，他是啥的那也不是，然后就给他破碎啊破碎，然后那个汁，对，那个汁出来的也比艾叶更可香。然后我就全部弄的是糯米粉，就可黏了，你知道吗？黏的。真的，我吃了4、5个、5、6个，还要吃，然后说别吃了，等一下要是中毒了怎么办？小吃了。我也吃了，很简单呀，就把那个艾叶，不是把那个艾叶就是给它过一下水嘛，过一下水之后，然后就那个我们里的那个小米的那个炸鸡皮，啊，这个炸成汁了，啊，加点水，啊对，加点水炸成汁的，然后把那个水，然后就和面粉。不是面粉，弄的糯米粉，我这次失败了，弄的全糯米粉。那应该再掺点，应该再掺点粘米粉，普通的米粉，普通的米的哪粉？这个奶油粉。然后对，奶油粉，然后我再掺出来可肉，就再放上。然后10分钟差不多。我也是第一次这个。你说那里后背后的杜莎那就难了。杜莎你是后边有卖的谁？啊，这个是放那个在那边肉的话是可以拍一下。艾叶，就是那个叶。然后吃点就那边那边那我能哎呀没事我 对，是对，是前面从那后面怎么样了呀？对，对呀，那就会很多对，其实跟爱人吵一路，才变得上半部我们是在楼旗店，楼旗的那个枝，那个很嫩的那个特殊的
40万个，宣光让人家说的。投票的比景文也大。
我以前是，我以前是。
不高一点都不高。
现在人高啊。
我觉得这个高度不够高，太松了。因为它差不多，就是你仰着头干活嘛，这样的话你不是一直这个头时间长你不会屈不会这样。
这个多呢，这个多是选择，这个应该。我这一截你就感觉摸着我这多做主任都
是吧？我觉得你这个太高了。对。因为我用过，就是你看我在这差不多2-3个月，真是感觉太值。啊对。
我跟你说，做生意那也可以。
这个18.2，看看小。我这个不带小屏，但是有些带小屏。这个。我这个下面。
107。没事。
比我买的时候还便宜死了。我俩需要批装。这个颜色跟这桌有关系，你想那个要这种，那估计会浅一点，估计会再浅一点。你们自己选。
那边有标啊，你说拿回来我看看。有啊，这个。
他给我买了。
不知道，你买，你为什么？
自费。
自费，那你是自己买，如果是有货源，
货源不知道他这个不一样。
20块8。
我买的都是24。
好呀。
买家具我们都买了。
现在不能开，我们家这个
咋样？是不是高一点？我其实我往上再高个5公分不知道。
还高，再高了多少钱？
还是稍微。
我是变动没听过啊。我这自己是刚刚给他花费的话，不然一看就600块钱嘛。啊，这多少？第一次说了5万。
啊，也买了这个，这个现在说了400大，不过这个一抹灰特别细，还经常藏。
我在这儿就看见你看了灰了。
不
是这儿灰，是键盘的下皮。
这样是吧？这里面是吧？
有买家进入直播间了。
Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Luang Effect Precision Bearing Manufacturing Companies. So, if you have the requirement, you can leave the message. We manufacture the cylindrical roller bearings and YRT rotator bearings and harmonic reduced bearings for us. So, if you have a requirement and if you have the work conditions, you can choose our cylindrical roller bearings. Look at this. This is rotational. Things. The update is the cylindrical roller bearings. The down is the YRT rotor bearings. If you have the more precision, more rotational work condition, you can choose the YRT. YRT rotator bearings. They need the more precision. Since the more rotational, and this kind of the bearings have a high precision, high rigidity, high heavy load. So you can get according to what conditions you can choose the things you need. So if you have the requirement also if you want to know something information about the bearings, you can leave some message on the screen. We will send you my catalogs later. So this is Royal Ifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is Royal Ifan Precision. So if you can look at the catalogs, what kind of the bearings you need, standard or non-standards. If you want the standards, you can choose the cylindrical, including the RARB, CRBH, RU, XSU, and so on. If you have the YRT, you can choose the YRT according to your size and in or outer ring diameters. So leave the message. We will send my catalogs to you. Thank you for your watching. Okay, welcome our live stream. This is Long Ifan Precision Bearing Manufacturers. Welcome to our live stream. This is a bearing living house. This is including the cylindrical bearings and YRT rotary table bearings. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Royal Ifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is if you have the more information about the bearings, you can leave the message on the screen. We manufacture the cylindrical roller bearing and harmonic reduced bearings and YRT rotary table bearings for us. So if you, according to your work conditions, you can choose the cylindrical, YRT, or non-standard bearings as your jaw, as your inner ring or outer ring diameters. So you, according to work condition, if you have more information about the bearings, you can leave the message on screen. I will send my catalogs for you. Thank you for watching. This is Luang Ifan, the Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is it. So if you have the more information about the bearings, you can leave message on screen and leave the information. Also, you can according to your conditions. If you have the net stand, you can choose the YRT and cylindrical. If you have the net standard bearings, you can choose net standard bearings. We can also make the new manufacture bearings according to your draw to design and manufacturing. So, what kind of bearings? What do you want needs? So leave the message. Okay, welcome to our live stream. Welcome to our live stream. This is Luan. If and the map bring Luan if and precision bearing manufacturing companies. This is Luan. This is Sam Luan if and our companies were located in the JC Industry Park in the Washington province. Okay, welcome to our live stream. This is Royal Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Companies. We mainly manufacture the cylindrical roller bearings and YRT rotative bearings and harmonic reduced bearings and nest and bearings for the wear customers. According to your condition, according to your requirements, you can choose this any kind of bearings. So if you have the more detail about my productions, you can leave the message on the screen. We will send my catalog to you. Okay, this is Laura Event Precision Bearing Manufacturer. This is Sam. This is Sam. Thank you for your watching. So if you have the information about the bearings, you can leave the message and leave your email address. We will send my catalogs later. Okay, this is Sam, the Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company.
那前面上头有点脏，
朦胧的，
稍微有点糊。
Hello.
那个白色的是什么？
我指甲
哦，
隔了一块，
隔了一块。这个就是那个叫啥？转盘是吗？
不是这样吗？斜波吧？
啊，对，斜波，这是转盘。
这就是 这就是普通的脚踏轮子，
那
这是 YRT 吧？
哦，对，我都到现在不记得。
你听。
因为是定制品嘛，定制品主要是循环。对，然后羽凡拿的这个是 YRTS 的话，对，所以的话就是循环，现在有几个一个包，一个包，现在50多分80分，跟这比较高的。
梦瑶。梦瑶。后台有人发。
然后要那个你哪个阿里的后台有没有发信函是吗？
不是有人要
看到那个，我去看一眼。
没有，但是我给他们都发明线了啊。但是阿里上面我看他发送的文件后面有一个发送产品目录，这个能点发送，就能发送到对方手里边吗？能发送的话，但是不要发送，让他问是吧？因为那个好像不全，因为你没有和他联系到手账号吗？不是您说他后面直接给他发成纸，他没有人问是吧？没有人问。发明线也不用。
有人吗？今天是吗？
刚来了7个，
那还不少嘞，有券儿。
没券儿，纯硬的播。
那可以。
现在没水了。
没水了。
你还要再贴上光吧。
没水了，
了，
没水了。那个萌萌叫水了没？都没水了，咱那两个同学都没了。
还是空的。都是空的。都是空的。
梦瑶，
咋的了？咋了？
我今天要播2小时吗？还是？
你跟玉英一起啊？
玉莹啊？
哦，你俩一块播2个小时，总共播2个小时，因为你跟玉英是绑一起的，
哦。
每一次直播有2个人。
那你等会儿播。
那接下来你播的是有没有1个小时？剩下1个小时让他播。
好来。Oh, welcome to our live stream. This is Loyang Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Companies. Okay, welcome to our live stream. Our companies manufacture the cylindrical roller bearings and YRTS rotary bearing bearings for us. So if you have the requirement and more information about the products, you can leave a message on screen. This is Loyang Event Precision Manufacturing.
瞌睡了。
不，这是。
Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Loyang Event Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. And our live show will last about 2 hours to introduce our variety of T-ball bearings and roller bearings. Okay, now let me first introduce our company to you. Loyang Event Precision Bearing Company is located in Jiaqi Industry Park, Loyang City, Henan Province, China. Benefits its unique foundation, and we have established the professional management system and professional technical team. We have a professional sales team, production team, technical team, and technical team, and we also have perfect after sales service, and our warranty time was about 1 year. So if you have any question, you can contact with us, and also I will answer you directly on our live show. And now let me introduce our YRTS T-ball bearings to you. And this is our YRTS T-ball bearings. YRTS T-ball bearings are radio and ASO combined circuit roller bearings, including 1 ASO radio inner ring, 1 ASO radio outer ring, and 1 ASO radio cover, and 2 circuit rollers at ASO direction, and 2 rings in nylon and brackets, and 2 4 installation cylindrical roller, radio cylindrical rollers, and the mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. What is the T-ball bearings? What about the features of YRTS T-ball bearings? So what about the features of our YRTS bearings? One YRTS bearings can be S load, radio load, and overturning torque. One bearing can replace small normal bearings. And having high precision and heavy load features, some series even have mounting holes. They are easy for installation and maintenance. The subsystem better and the structure is most simple. And so what's about the applications? They are widely used in 5-axis machine tools and the accessories, lab devices, precision equipment, hobbing machine, and the grinding machine. And About what's about our lead time? About the smaller parts such as YRT50, YRT80, we have semi products on. We have large products on stock, and we have large bulk on stock, and our lead time is about within 3 days. And about the larger products, we have semi products on stock, and our lead time is 15 to 13 days. So and all our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, and we have professional sales team and technical team and production team, and we also have perfect after sales service. Our warranty time is about 1 year, and so you can buy it with confidence. And so the next one is our controller bearings. Okay, now this is our controller bearings. In controller bearings, the center rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways, separated by spacer block one by one in vertical arrangement. They are both integrated and separated. So, what's about the features of the controller bearings? Controller bearings insert structure can be S-load, radial load, and overturning load, having high precision and high features. Some series even have mounting holes. They are easy for installation and maintenance. So the value using in machine tools and accessories, automation, medical equipment, and other industries. So about controller bearings, we have RE, RB, CRBH, RU, and RUSX, XU, and SSU. So this is our RB series. So what's about the features of our RB series? RB is the standard model of the controller bearings. Hello, welcome to my live show. If you have any questions, you can leave your message answer on our live show, and I will answer you directly. And now this is RB series. It is a standard model of our controller bearings. The center rollers are arranged into 90-degree raceways, and the inner ring is integrated, but the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. It's suitable for the parts with the accuracy of the inner rings. And this is the RB. And now also this is the RU series. This is our RU series. You can compare it with the mounting holes. The inner ring is integrated and outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of the both inner rings and the outer rings, and the mounting holes on both inner rings and outer rings. They can directly be used and installed without the shaft or bearing seat. And you can see this is a CRBH. This is a CRBH. This is a sorry.
你温柔一点，对咱的周周。
好，这太油了，然后摸着可油了。
戴着手套，
你手套两边全油了，这个手。
等会儿洗手没办法。
好，我戴这个。
我弄的时候我是没有反过来，应该是你看这个谁弄反了？你弄反你肯定的。
两个边全油，然后摸着。好，
你要注意一点。
行。 Sorry, I need to wear the gloves. Just wait for a moment. Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Royal Even Precision Bearing. So if you have any question, you can leave your question on our live show and I will answer you directly. Now look at it. This is RB series. The inner ring is integrated in the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction, and there are no mounting holes. And now look at the next. This is now look at it. Oh yeah, this is a CRBH. So what's the features about the CRBH? The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It is the overall structure of the inner ring and the outer ring, and it's for the parts which requires the high rigidity features. And now look at it. This and I will show you the RA series. Yeah, this is the RA series. Different from the RB series, it's more smaller and it's much smaller and lighter. The inner ring is integrated. Its outer ring is also. The outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. It's for the parts which require the small space requirements and the ladder space and the last space. And now look at it. This is our XU series. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of the both inner rings and outer rings. And you can see there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and outer rings. We can obtain it in accordance with the Deep Bore 618 series. The inner ring is divided into two parts at axial direction, and in addition, there is high difference between the SU and the between the XU and XSU, and you can feel it by your hand between the inner ring and outer ring. They are high difference. And now look at and we also have SX series. We also have SS series. Okay, now so. This is our cross roller bearings. So how to install the cross roller bearings? Okay, now first step we need to prepare the inner rings, the outer ring, the circuit rollers, the rubber ring, and the screw. Okay, first step we need to clean all the objects with the gasoline, and we need to wipe them dry. Then we need to put the circuit rollers on the V-shaped raceways. And the next step, we also use a U-clamp to combine the clearance. And we need to use a stake to rectify the clearance. And in addition, we also use a meter to examine the clearance. And only there is we just use the meter to examine the positive clearance. The next step we need to use carry the outer ring, and in addition we also put the spacer block between the circuit rollers, and we also use a red color spacer block to rectify the clearance, rectify the interval. And then we need to inject the grades between the outer ring and inner ring, and we cover the outer ring. We do the last correction with the stake, and then our products are finished. So this is the whole process of the cross roller bearings and how to install the cross roller bearings. And the next step, so all our products are produced by advanced CC machine tools, and we have professional technical team, sales team, production team, and the perfect after sales service. All our guarantee time was about 1 year. So if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show, and I will answer you directly. And in addition, and all our products are guaranteed for 1 year, and also we have established long-term cooperation with many companies, and our product has been exported to many countries. We have passed the ISO certifications and have replaced the IKO, SKF, INA, and other many imported foreign brands. So you can buy it with confidence, and we can give you the best quality and the most reasonable price. And the next step, and so this is Felicia from Loyal Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company, and welcome to our live show. We will last about 2 hours about our live show. 这样子，收一张。
下回要这个人把一到十我背下来。
我去。
啊，一到十。我也不说一到十背下来，我说中文里的数字给我报上。
Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Loyal Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. And our live show will last about 2 hours to introduce our capsular bearings and YRTS bearings. Hello, welcome to my live show. If you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show. And today we will introduce our capsular bearings and the YRTS bearings to you. So first, let me introduce our company to you. Loyal Infant Precision Bearing Company is located in Jianxi Industrial Park, Henan, Luoyang City, Henan Province. And our company has established for many years. We have established the professional technical team and management system. So, and you can buy it with confidence. All our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, and our warranty time is about 1 year, and our lead time is about 3 days to 30 days. So you can buy it with confidence. So now first I will introduce the capsular bearings to you. Now look at it. This is the capsular bearings. So in capsular bearings, the rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways. Separated by spacer block 1 by 1 in vertical arrangement. The inner ring and outer ring can be integrated and separated. So what's the feature about the capsular bearings? One bearing structure can bear S-load, radial load, and overturning torque. Bearing having high precision and high rigidity features, some series even have mounting holes. And they're widely used in 5-axis, 6-axis machine tools. They're widely used in medical equipment, machine tools, and their accessories, and automation in other industries. So we have RARB, CRBH, RU, SX, XU, and XSU. So we also provide customized products for you. So don't if you have any need, please feel free to contact with us. Welcome to my live show. Okay, now this is capsular bearings, and this is CRBH series. So what's the feature about the CRBH? You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure above the inner rings and the outer rings. So you can buy. So it's suitable for the parts which require the high rigidity features. And now look at this is CRBH, and look at it. This is the RA series. This is the RA series. So what's the feature about the RA series? The inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is also divided into 2 parts at axial direction. So it's more smaller and lighter than other models series, and it's suitable for the parts which require the small space requirements. And the next step, this is the RU series. You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and outer rings, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and outlines. They can be used and installed with the shape of bearing seat. And the next one is the RB series. Yeah. You can see this is a RB series. So what's the feature about the RB series? You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. It's a standard model of the Castellar bearings, and it's for the parts which require the accuracy of the inner rings and the outer rings. Okay, now this is XU series. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. The inner ring and outer ring are overall structure, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. And they can be direct installed and used with a shaft of bearing seat, so you can buy it with toppings. And the next step is SX series, and this is the SX series. This is the SX series. You can see the inner ring is integrated. The outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction, and there are three connected rings on the outer rings. And we can obtain it by in accordance with the 618 typical bore 618 series. The stem rollers are running to 90 digital raceways. So and it's suitable for the parts which require the high rigidity features. There are no mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So this is all our products and all our series about the Castellar bearings. And all our Castellar bearings have the good quality, and we also have the price quality. We also have the price advantage. So if you have any need, you can please feel free to contact with us, and we also provide the customized products. And in addition, all our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools. We also have passed ISO SGS certifications. All our products are guaranteed for 1 year, and all our are guaranteed for 1 year, and we have the quality guarantee. We have professional sales team, technical team, and production team, and we also have the perfect sales team. Have the professional sales team, and we can provide quality you are satisfied with. And so if you can have any need, and we have established cooperation with many countries, with many companies. We have replaced the IQ, IKHKIA, and other foreign imported brands. So if you have any question, you can contact with us. All our products are guaranteed. Our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, grand string camps, and inspect person one grand string camps, and inspect 1% after each procedure. So you don't have any worry to feel about our quality. And the next step is our YRTS the table bearings. Yeah, this is our YRTS table bearings. Our YRTS table bearings are ready and axles combined cylindrical roller bearings, including one axle video inner ring, one axle video outer ring, and one axle video cover. Two stem rollers at axle direction, and two are arranged in nylon and brackets. One for installation video cylinder rollers, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. You can see, so what's the feature about the Castellan YRTS bearings? The one bearing structure can be axle load, video load, and overturning torque. One bearing can replace more normal bearings. And the shaft system is more better, and the structure is more simple. There are mounting holes on both inner rings and outer rings. They are easy for installation and cost saving for maintenance. And they are used in 5-axis, 6-axis machine center and the accessories, lab devices, medical equipment, precision equipment, and other industries. So what's about our lead time? So for the smaller parts, our lead time is about 3 days. We have large stock on bulk. We have large bulk on stock. And for the larger models, we have semi-products on stock, and our lead time is about 15 to 30 days. And all our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools and the accessories. So all our products are guaranteed for 1 year, and you can buy it with confidence. And about YRT, we have YRTC and the YRTS. So what's the difference between YRTC and the YRTS? You can see there is no spacer block between the circuit rollers, and this is YRTC. It's not for the parts which require the high rigidity features. And about other YRT, there is a spacer block between the circuit rollers, and this is YRTS. It is faster in rotating speed. So this is the biggest difference between the YRTC and the YRTS. And so how to install the cross-roller bearings? I will introduce to you. So about our cross-roller bearings. First, we need to prepare the inner ring, the outer ring, the inner ring, the outer ring, the spacer block, the cylinder rollers, and the rubber ring. And you need to, first step, you need to clean them with a gasoline and wipe them dry. And then the next step, you need to put the cylinder rollers on the V-shaped raceways. And you also need to use U-clap. You need to inject the grease on both inner rings, outer rings, and cover the outer ring. Use the rubber ring to cover the outer ring, and you need to use the rubber ring to seal them, and use a screw to tighten them. And then the next step, you also do the last correction with stick, and then our products are finished. So this is the whole process of our products, how to install the cross-roller bearings. So what's about the whole process of creating the bearings? The first step is the forge piece, and the next step is the rough tinning, and the Swisser, and then is fine tinning, and then fine tinning, and then we drill. And the next step we do the heat treatment, and then we do the rough grinding, accurate grinding, and final grinding. We will grind 4 times. The ground grinding, the outer ring grinding, the inner ring grinding, and the roller grinding. So you don't need to worry about our products. And the next step, we will do the assembly, and then we need to assembly examination, and now the final step, we package and delivery. So this is the whole process of the bearings created. You can see our products are very are produced by very professional technical team, and our products are produced by advanced system machine tools. And we have established long-term cooperation with many countries, and there are so many companies has established non-cooperation with us. Our products are produced by advanced system machine tools, screened 3 times by grinding, printing, so we can provide a very good products for you. We have the perfect after-sales service. If you have any question, you can contact with us, and also we can give you the best quality and the most reasonable price. So don't have any worry about our products. Okay. Hello, this is Felicia from the Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Welcome to our live show. Our live show will last about 2 hours. Introduce our cross-roller bearings, YRTS bearings, and cross-roller bearings and customized bearings to you. So all our products are produced. So let me introduce our company to you first. Firstly, the first Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing is located in Jiangxi Industrial Park, Loyang City, Henan Province. Thanks to its unique foundation and management system, we have established a professional management system, and we also have the professional technical team. So the first step, I will introduce technical team. Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Loyang Infant Precision Bearing. I will send our card to you, and if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show. Okay, now first up, I will introduce our company to you. Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing is located in Loyang, Jiangxi Industrial Park, Loyang City, Henan Province. All our products are produced by advanced system machine tools, grind mannequin 3 times by grinders, and inspected 1 person after each procedure. And all our products have 1-year warranty, so you can buy it with confidence. And we have professional technical team, sales team, production team. We also have perfect after-sales service. So you can back it with confidence. So first up, I will introduce our YRTS bearings to you. Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing, and our company is specialized in producing the cross-roller bearings, YRTS bearings, and the customized bearings. Okay, now look at it. This is a YRTS bearings. YRTS bearings are radio and axle combined rollers at axle direction. It is including 1 axle radio inner wing, 1 axle radio outer wing, and 1 axle radio cover, 2 cylinder rollers at axle direction, and the 1 for installation radio cylinder rollers. There are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings, so they are easy for installation and maintenance. So what's the feature about the YRTS bearings? One bearing structure can bear axle load, radio load, and overturning torque. One bearing can replace 2 more normal bearings, and 2 are rigged in nylon and brass case. In the bearings in the shaft system embedded and structure is more simple. They're easy for maintenance, and they're easy for installation, and cost saving for maintenance. And now, so look at it. This is we have YRTC and the YRTS. So what's the feature of the YRTC? And you can see there is no spacer block between the cylinder rollers. This is YRTC. It's for the purse, which repairs the high rigid features. And about other YRTS bearings, we also have YRTS. And so what's the feature of YRTS? there is spacer block between the cylinder there is spacer block between the cylinder rollers. So if you need the faster rotating speed, I advise the YRTS. YRTS is faster than YRTC in its rotating speed. And so this is the YRT bearings. So what's about its lead time? For the smaller parts such as YRT50, YRT80, we have large products on stock, and our lead time is about 3 days. And for the larger parts, we have semi products on stock, and our lead time is about 15 to 30 days. So you can buy. So all our products are produced by Advanced CNC machine tools. So you can buy it with confidence. And so if you have any need, you can come. Please feel free to contact with us. Okay, I will send our card to you. Just wait for a moment. Okay, now the next step, I will introduce the YRT rotatable bearings to you. All our products are produced by Advanced CNC machine tools, and we grind 3 times. We grind 3 times by grinding, and we also inspect 1% after each procedure. So all our products are getting for its quality. We can give you the best price and the best quality. So the next step is the cross roller bearings. This is the cross roller bearings. In cross roller bearings, the center rollers are arranged into 90-degree raceways, and separated by spacer block in vertical arrangement 1 by 1. Some series, the inner ring and outer ring can be integrated and autograded. Some series even have mounting holes. So, what's the feature of the cross roller bearings? Bearing structure can be absolute radial load and overturning torque. Having high precision and high rigidity features, some series even have mounting holes. And you can see there are numbers on our cross roller bearings: RB 10016, UU 660P5. So what's the meaning about these numbers? I will introduce to you one by one. RB is a series name. We have many series, RA, RB, CRBH, RU, SX, XU, and SSU. RB is a series name, and 10 is the inner ring diameter of the product is 100 millimeters, and 16 is its height. The height is 60 millimeters, and UU means double seal in both the inner rings and the outer rings. And if there is only one U, it means the one rubber in just one side, and the 60 means it's negative clearance, and the P5 is the run-out accuracy of the inner rings and the outer rings. And so this is our numbers. What the numbers mean? And so in addition, we also have this is RB series. It's a standard model of the cross roller bearings. The inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is divided into 2 parts at axial direction, and it's the standard model of the cross roller bearings. So you can see the inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is divided into 2 parts at axial direction. It's suitable for the parts which require the accuracy of the inner rings and the outer rings. And so the next step, this is RB, is the standard model of the cross roller bearings.
买家在声翔看直播，打个招呼吧。
Hello, welcome to my live show. And now next you can see this is the RU series. Now this is the RU series. The inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure about the inner rings and the outer rings, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer ring, and in the inner rings and outer rings. So you can see they are widely used in many industries, and they can directly be used in ASO and directly used without a shaft or bearing seat. This is the RU series. And then the next step. Okay, now this is the Okay, now this is a CRBH series. So what's the feature about the CRBH series? You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure about the inner rings and the outer rings. And they're widely used in medical equipment automation. Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Loyang Ifan Precision Bearing Manufacturing. I'm introducing our Castrula bearings. This is our CRBH series. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure about the inner rings and the outer rings. They are widely used in medical equipment, automation, machine tools, and the accessories. It's for the parts which require the high rigid features. Okay, the next step, this is our, you can see this is our SX series. So what's the feature of our SX series? The inner ring is integrated, the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction, and we can obtain it in accordance with the typical ball 618 series, and there are connected rings on the outer rings, and you can see the center rollers are arranged into 90-degree deviation raceways. The inner ring is integrated, but the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. Okay, the next step, this is you can see, maybe you can see it. So it's too heavy, I can't move it, but you can see. This is the XU series. So what's the feature of the XU series? The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also divided into two parts at axial direction. There are mounting hooks on both the inner rings and outer rings. They can directly use that without the shaft or bearing seat. And you can see there are different height between the inner rings and outer rings. There are different height. You can feel it by your hand. There is a different height. And each models and also have different each series have different models. We have songs or models about YRT and Castrula bearings. We also provide customized bearings to use. So if you have any question, you can leave your message and we can contact with our technical team, and they will make the best. They will make the bearings you are satisfied with. And so the next step, all our products are the next step is our process of the bearings. The first step we need to do the forge piece. The second step, retaining, then the fine tuning, and the next step, drill, and then heat treatment. Then we will grind it. Rough grinding, accurate grinding, and final grinding. We will grind 4 times. The ground grinding, the inner ring grinding, the outer ring grinding, and the roller grinding. So we will do a very accurate Castrula bearings. Then we will do the assembly. We will do the assembly, and then we will examination, and then final we do the final delivery. We do the package and the final delivery. So this is the whole process of the Castrula of the bearings. How to create the bearings. It's a very professional and a complicated process to do the bearings. And all our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools and grind times by grindings and inspected one person after its procedure. So, and we have established a cooperation with many countries. We have passed ISO SGS certifications, and we have replaced IQ, THK, SKF, and many other imported ones. So all our products are guaranteed for 1 year, so you don't need to worry about any quality system. In addition, we also have the perfect after sales system, and our warranty time is about 1 year. Our products has exported to many countries such as America, Canada, South Korea, and so on. So you can buy it with confidence. You don't need to worry about many questions because our quality is really good. So if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show and I will answer you directly. Okay? Hello, this is Felicia from Luoyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. Today our live show will introduce our Castula bearings and variety of bearings to you. And our live show will last about 2 hours. First, let me introduce our company to you. Hello, welcome to my live show. I will introduce our company to you. Luoyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing is located in Jianxi Industrial Park, Luoyang City, Henan Province. Thanks for its foundation management system, we have established the professional management system and we have professional technical team, so you can buy it with confidence. And all our products are produced by advanced system machine tools with many types of each grinding and produced and inspected 1% after each procedure. All our products have the quality guarantee, and our one time is about 1 year, and our lead time is from 3 days to 30 days. So you can buy it with confidence. We have professional technical team, sales team, production team, and we also have the perfect after service. So today I will introduce our YRTS and Castula bearings. So look at it. This is Castula bearings. So in Castula bearings, the center rollers are ranging into 90-degree reshape raceways. The spacer block, separated by spacer block 1 by 1 in vertical arrangement. Some series even have mounting holes. Both the inner ring and outer ring can be integrated and automated. So if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show. And so what's the feature of the Castula bearings? In bearing structure can be S load, video load, and overturning torque. Having high precision and high rigidity features, some series even have mounting holes. And bearing structure can be S load, video load, and overturning torque. So the why using in machine tools and the accessories, grinding machine, lab medical equipment, automation, and other industries. About the Castula bearings, we have RA, RB, RU, CRBH, SX, XU, and SSU. Hello, welcome to my live show. If you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show, and I will answer you directly. So look at it. This is our CRBH series. Sorry, this is the SX series. So what's the feature about the SX series? The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into 2 parts at axial direction. It's the overall structure of the inner rings and outer rings, and they are connected rings on the outer ring. And in addition, we can obtain it in accordance with the deep groove bore 618 series. The center rollers are running to 90-degree reshape raceways. Okay, so this is our SX Okay, now this is RB series. So RB series is a standard model of the cross-roller bearings. The inner ring is integrated in the outer ring is also divided into two parts. It's the standard model of the cross-roller bearings. So it's suitable for the parts which with the accuracy of the inner rings and outer rings. And you can see the RB series. Okay, the next I will show you the RA series. This is the RA series. The inner ring is integrated in the outer ring. It is divided into two parts at the axial direction, and it's smaller and lighter than the RB series. So it's suitable for the parts which require the small space requirements. And now the next step, I will show you the RU series. Okay, now this is the RU series. So what's the feature of the RU series? The inner ring is integrated in the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of the both inner rings and the outer rings. And more importantly, there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. They can be installed and used without shut of bearing seat. Okay, now this is a CRBH series. So what's the feature of the CRBH series? The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. Its overall structure about the inner rings and outer rings. They are widely used in medical equipment, automation, machine tools, and the accessories. So it is suitable for the parts which require the high rigidity features. And this is a CRBH. And so the next step I will show you so it's too heavy and I can't move it, but you can see it. This is the XU series. So what's the feature of the XU series? You can see the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and the outer rings. And there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So more importantly, so what's the difference between the RU and other series which also have the mounting holes? The biggest difference is the height difference. You know, you can feel the height difference between the inner rings and the outer rings. Yeah, by hand, this is the height difference. So this is the biggest difference between the RU and the XU and the XSU. But the XU, you can see the height difference is little, so you can touch it by your hand. But you can see the XU, there is no height difference. There is no height difference. They are on the same direction. And you can see there is a little numbers on the RB series. This is RB10016. You use this 0P5. RB is a series name, and 100 means the inner ring and the outer ring of the product. Inner ring of the products. The inner ring is the diameter of the inner ring is 100 millimeters, and 16 is its height. Is its height. And UU means the double sealed in both the inner rings and the outer rings. CC0 means the negative clearance, and P5 is run out accuracy of the inner ring and the outer rings. So this is the meaning of the numbers mean. So all our products. So how to install the cross-roller bearings. The first step, you need to prepare the inner ring, the outer ring, the rubber ring, the screw, and the cylindrical rollers. The first step, you need to put the cylindrical rollers between. You need to put the cylindrical rollers between the V-shaped raceways. And you need to wash them. You need to wash them with the gas, and you need to wipe them dry. Then put the cylindrical rollers between the V-shaped raceways. Okay, the next step, you need to You need to put the cylindrical rollers between the V-shaped raceways, and you use. You need to put the cylindrical. You need to put the cylindrical rollers on the V-shaped raceways, and then you need to combine the clearance with the. You need to use the U-clamp to combine the clearance, and you need to use the. And then you need to use a stick to rectify the clearance, and you use the meter to examine the clearance. Then you need to cover the ordering, and you need to. And you need to put the spacer block between the cylindrical rollers, and you also use a rudder spacer block to rectify the intervals. In addition, you need to you also need to. In addition, you also need to In addition, you also put the rudder cylindrical rollers to rectify its interval, and you also use the you cover the outer ring, inject the grease on the inner outer ring, and you use the rubber to seal it. So the next step, you need to after. The next step, you need to do the last correction with the stick, and then the products are finished. Hello, welcome to my live show, and this is Felicia from Loyal Infant Precision Buying Manufacturing. If you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show, and I will answer directly. This is our cross-roller bearings, and the in cross-roller bearings, the cylindrical rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways, and separated by spacer block one by one in vertical arrangement. The inner ring and outer ring can be integrated in outer grid and separated. So this is the whole process of how to install the cross-roller bearings. And so if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show. And all our products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools, grinded 3 times by grinders and inspected 1 person after each procedure. So we have professional sales team, technical team, production team. We also have the perfect after sales service. Our warranty time is about 1 year, so you don't worry about any quality problem. Okay, I have sent our card to you. So if you have any need, please feel free to contact with us. So I will introduce the whole process of creating the bearings. The first step is port piece, then the rough tuning and fine tuning, then is drill heat treatment. So why we do the heat treatment? We will change its organization and improve its hard features. And then is grinding, rough grinding, accurate grinding, and final grinding. And we will do 4 times grinding during the process. And then is our and then we will do the then we will assembly. We will do the assembly in the package and the final delivery. So this is a whole process. So we have passed the ISO SGS certification, and all our products has exported to many countries such as American, Canada, South Korea, Japan, Thailand, and so on. We have established long-term cooperation with many companies, and we have replaced the ICO, THKIA, SKF, and many other foreign imported brands. So you can buy it with confidence. We have very perfect production team, sales team, and best after sales service. And so if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show and I will answer you directly. And I have sent all our card to you, so you can please feel free to contact with us. Okay, now welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing. And today our live show will last about 2 hours to introduce our YRTS bearings and the cross-roller bearings. So this is our cross-roller bearings. In cross-roller bearings, the center rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways and separated by space block 1 by 1 in vertical arrangement. The inner ring and outer ring can be integrated and separated. So what's the feature about the cross-roller bearings? One bearing structure can bear S load, radial load, and overturning torque. One bearing can replace 2 more normal bearings. So having high precision and high rigid features, some series even have mounting holes that are easy for installation and maintenance. They are widely used in machine tools and the accessories. They are widely used in machine tools and the accessories, automation, medical equipment, and other industries. And what's the fee? We have RARB, RU, CRBH, SX, XU, and XSU series. We also provide customized products. And this is a CRBH series. So what's the feature of the CRBH series? The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of both the inner rings and the outer rings. You can see it is about is their values in medical equipment, automation, automation in other industries, and is suitable for the parts which require the high rigidity features. So this is our CRBH. And this is a RE series.
所以说绿色那个也是4080。
You can see this is the RA series. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts. So it is lighter and smaller than the other series. So it's for the parts which require the small space requirements and small space requirements and lighter space. So and this is the RU series. Hello, welcome to my live show. This is Felicia from Loyang Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing. And I'm introducing our customer bearings. This is our RU series. If you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show. Okay, I will send our card to you. You can see about the RU series, the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure of the both inner rings and the outer rings. So they can directly be used and installed without the shaft or bearing seat. And now the next step is our RB. Yeah, this is our RB series. So what's the feature of the RB series? You know, this is the standard model of the customer bearings. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction. And this is for the parts which require the accuracy of the inner rings and outer rings. Okay, now look at it. This is too big to move it. Okay, I will introduce to you between the camera. So this is this is XU series. So you can see it looks similar with the RU series, but it's a little difference between them. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. It's the overall structure about the inner rings and the outer rings. And there are mountains on both the inner rings and outer rings, but there is high difference between the inner rings and the outer rings. So they can also directly use and installed. So this is all our series RE, RB, RU, CRBH, XU, XU, and SS series. So we also provide customized products. If you have any need, please feel free to contact with us. Okay, now today 2 hours has arrived. Okay, bye bye.